In this video, I'll show you how to run multiple Dropbox accounts simultaneously in Windows. Alright, so first and foremost, what we want to do is open Dropbox. So you can opt to do that from the search bar and just search for Dropbox and click on it. But generally, if you are a regular Dropbox user, you'll have it on the taskbar, bottom right, and just click that open up. Alright, now here in the Dropbox, what we want to do is go to the top right and click on our account, then Preferences, and then we want to go to Accounts and Add Account. Keep in mind, you need to be a Dropbox business and a Dropbox personal user so that you can swap between those two specific accounts or use both of those accounts. Unfortunately, if you're not, then this method will not work for you. And that's all I've got for you today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.